I've been using Affresh washing machine cleaners for years, but it was just sent Active washing machine cleaner and I am so impressed. Overall, they both do the same thing. They will clean your washer. So whether you're preventing gross grime buildup like I am on a new washer, or you are fighting gross grime, which I have in the past with Affresh, these will both do a beautiful job. They both have roughly the same ingredients, and they are fantastic cleaners. There are only a few differences that I can note, and that really is the size of the tablet and the smell. Affresh has a much stronger smell, whereas Active doesn't have any smell at all. And another piece to keep in mind is the pricing. With Affresh, you get a 6-month supply. With Active, you get a whole year supply. The tablets come individually packaged. Affresh's tablets are enormous compared to Active's tablets, but they both do an amazing job. And when they're going, I really do see the same amount of bubbles in the washer. I personally love both of these. They're both fantastic washing machine cleaners, but I'll lean towards Active washing machine cleaner from here on because I really love that it's unscented. But whichever one you prefer, I know it will do a great job cleaning your washer.